Hey you guys, so I'm here and I wanted to talk to you guys about this KingCamp heavy duty camping folding chair that's going to be oversized. You guys saw me using this chair and I actually used it last night at my son's baseball game and it was absolutely amazing. I want to make sure I tell you guys all about it, okay? So this is the chair. This is how it comes, completely compact, and it even has handles here to be able to carry. But it's really easy to be able to use and it is super comfortable because it has padding, okay? So all you do is you just up like this. So you just push that side and you push it down and then you have it nice and open. And to be able to close it, it's just gonna be the same exact way. So there are those two handles on the side. All you do is you bring them up like that and then it is folded. So it's really quick and easy. See, there is padding here and padding right there. So there's padding on both sides. There's also padding, you guys, right here on the armrest as well. The other nice thing, you guys, is it's gonna hold up to 396 pounds and it's oversized, okay? So for me, like I could even have my younger son sitting in here as well with me. So it's gonna be great, especially because it's gonna be able to hold so much, all right? But a couple of the things that I really like with it is it has this side table. So you can either pull it up or have it down. It does have a cup holder, but then also you can even sit anything else right here that you needed to, which I really like that fact. So again, you can fold it up if you don't need it, but it's great to have that. Then on this side, there are extra pockets, okay? So there is a zipper pocket. So I like the fact that there's a zipper so that way you can keep something in there that maybe you don't want to be able to like come out. So a little bit more secure there. Then there's another pocket right here. And then two more pockets right here that fit a cell phone that you're even going to be able to Velcro and close back down. So I like the fact of having all the different pockets. It's made very, very strong. And so highly recommend this chair for games. We have 3 kids and 2 of which are in sports right now. And so we're going to be sitting outside a lot. And having this chair and being able to lean back and having everything that I need right here is a huge convenience factor. Thank you guys for watching the review of this KingCamp folding chair.